Good morning students. In this session we will study about codominance. This topic is also that is exception to the Mendel's law that we have seen. Codominance, it is defined as whenever both the alleles for a character are dominant and express its full character is called codominance. Now dominant we have seen. So what is this codominance? Whenever the alleles for a character they both are dominant, means neither a single particular allele is dominant or nor it is recessive. Both are having equal dominance and they are expressing their character fully. So example of this codominance is given, that is AB blood group, or you can say the ABO blood group of human being. Now blood group in humans are controlled by three alleles of a gene I. That is, they are as follows, that is IA, IB and small I. So this two, that is capital IA, capital IB, they both are codominant, and this two, they are dominant over this small I. So whenever this capital IA and capital IB are present, both they will equally express their character. Now ABO locus is located on chromosome 9. Here IA is responsible for production of antigen A, means this type of particular alleles it will code for the blood group A. IB is responsible for production of antigen B, so this will code for the blood group B. And I, small I, does not produces any antigen, so this will code for the blood group O. Now this is the location where particular locus of the ABO gene it is shown on the chromosome number 9 and it is highlighted, that is 9q34 is the location or locus of the ABO gene on chromosome 9, which codes for the ABO blood group. IA and IB are codominant and dominant over I, as we have seen. So here you can see that different blood groups are given: A group, B group, AB group, O group. Genotype, that is IA, that is whenever blood group A is there, their genotype will be IA or IAI, because here earlier we have seen that whenever IA is present along with the small I, this character will express, and this is particular recessive. Similarly for B group or B blood group, IB or IB small I, whenever it is present, so this will result into the B blood group. And AB blood group, that is capital IA, capital IB, it will result into the AB group. And O blood group, that is whenever small I are present, it will go for the blood group O. Process of blood group, that is codominance. Blood group, whenever A blood group is crossed with the A blood group, the possible genotypes are IAIA into IAIA, and the possible phenotype, that is the blood group will be A. Again, whenever the capital IAIA is crossed with the IA and small I, the blood group will result into the A. Now for the B blood group, here are the crosses given. You can see here that whenever both the capital I are present, it will result into B. Whenever only one capital I and small I is present, then this character what is expressed, that is it will result into the B blood group. Or whenever it is crossed with, that is both this they are crossed, it will result into the O blood group. And whenever AB and AB, that is you can say that this can be of the parents, and it will result into AB, A or B blood group. Whenever O is crossed with O, then we have seen this are the particular alleles are there, and it will code for the O blood group. Now this is hold in the tabular form, it is shown that particular whenever two parents they are having the blood group that is respectively shown in whole of the table, that whenever parent one is having a blood group and second parent also is having the similar blood group, the possible blood group of the child will be A or O. Similarly, for other blood groups it is given. You can see here all the combinations are the given, and from this table MCQ can be asked. It is the most important table, so students you have to remember. And if you are not able to remember, you can just make a cross, such as for A group and O group, that is one parent is having blood group A, so the genotype will be IA and O. So small I will be there. So both you have to cross with each other and you have to see the possibilities. So it will result into A or O blood group. So these are the different type of particular combinations are seen of the blood group. I hope students this topic is clear to you. That is codominance. Whenever for a particular character the alleles are there, this alleles will express their character equally and no particular allele is dominant over other. So this type of expression of character is known as codominance, and this also was the exception to Mendel's law. It do not follow the Mendel law.